Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at something very interesting for DIY vehicle enthusiasts, the 100cc 4-stroke gasoline bicycle engine kit. This kit is designed for people who want to convert a standard bicycle frame into a small motorized bike for hobby projects or mechanical experimentation. Now the first thing that stands out about this kit is the 100cc 4-stroke gasoline engine. Compared to older 2-stroke bicycle engines, a 4-stroke design is generally smoother, quieter, and more fuel-efficient. It also produces fewer emissions and tends to last longer because the engine lubrication system is more advanced. This particular engine produces about 3.5 horsepower, which is quite strong for a small bicycle-sized motor system. That amount of power can help move a bike more easily over longer distances or mild slopes when used in appropriate conditions. Another important feature is the OHV, or overhead valve design. In small engines, OHV systems improve combustion efficiency and reliability. That means better fuel usage, smoother performance, and less engine stress during operation. Now let's talk about cooling. This engine uses an air cooling system, which is common in compact gasoline engines. Air cooling helps maintain engine temperature during operation without requiring complex liquid cooling components. This keeps the system lightweight and easier to maintain. Pause for a moment and imagine a traditional bicycle frame with a large triangular space in the middle. That area is typically where kits like this are mounted, which is why the engine is designed to fit large triangular empty frames commonly found in cruiser or mountain bicycles. Another component included is the chain drive system, which transfers engine power to the rear wheel. Chain drives are widely used in small mechanical vehicles because they are durable and capable of handling torque from compact engines. The engine also features a hand start pull system, similar to what you see on small generators or lawn equipment. This makes the engine simple to start without requiring a battery or electric starter. However, it's important to remember that projects like motorized bike conversions involve mechanical work and should only be done responsibly and according to local laws and safety standards. These kits are typically intended for experienced hobbyists or adult builders who understand small engines and mechanical systems. Overall, if you're interested in mechanical DIY projects and compact engine technology, the 100cc 4-stroke bicycle engine kit is an interesting option for motorized bike modifications and engineering hobby builds.